channel. This is Shiloh Seashells once again, and I'm excited to share my adventures with you. Join me as I experience life from different places.
Hi guys! Beautiful morning! I'm with Gina today. So, dalawa lang kami. Mag-cable car. Kasi hindi pa namin yun na-experience talaga. So, ayun, experience namin. Nag-purchase lang kami sa Club because it's much cheaper compare sa mismong office. But in the website, it says $28. Pero pag sa ticket sa dyan sa Vivo City, well, 35. Yeah, that's around $35. So, ayun guys, madali lang siya tutunin actually from Blue Line, from Blue Line, downtown, from Chinatown. So, station lang, going to Harborfront. Tapos sa Vivo City, you can purchase the ticket, $35. Look, much cheaper. Ayan, we're on our way to this cable car. So far, hindi pa kami nawawala. Konti pa lang. Konti pa lang. Ayan. See, maraming arrow. Ayan yung arrow. Cable car. Ayan na. Yeah, matanin. So, ayan guys. You can just go to the Tower 2. This is the lower area. The lower part. This is the ticketing office. We'll just get our tickets here. Then, we'll go na. Yan na. So, yan yung mga prices nila. There you go. May mga triple. Combination na. Yan. Boarding for Mount Faber. And the other side is for the Sentosa Island. Yan. Hey, kami lang yung tao. Kasi lang yung tao. We own this. We own the cable car for, a moment. For 15 minutes. For 15 minutes. With the Pikachu. Yeah. Purchase and Clue. Thank you, Clue. Sponsored by Knox. Manifesting. Yay! Cute ng namin, no? Pikachu! Oh my God! Pikachu! Ganda! Pikachu! Don't miss this, ha? Kasi makikita mo rin yung Singapore dito, no? Oo. Yan, o. Daming building. This is for Gina. Kasi walang malayo dun sa Fullerton Hotel. Nandito sa Mount Faber. Ang wala sa wala lang guys. Gusto ko lang i-share. Feeling ko kasi futuristic siya. Parang kakaiba yung design. Si Gina ng Espine. This is papuntang Manila. Ay, that's the Manila. Ang ganda ng sky. Thank you, Lord. Magandang panahon. Ganda na ko ako dito, te. Ito, saan sakay ako na to? Saan sakay ako na? Okay, so one of the oldest tree here in Singapore can be found in Sentosa Island. Ano i-pronounce? Madame Tussauds. Madame. But that's Gina. Madame Gina. Adventure. So we're now here at Sentosa Island. So what we did, we bought a round trip ticket via Klook, and then we went to Mount Faber and go directly to Sentosa. And then going back to the main island, we will just ride the Sentosa Express. O diba? That's for $4. Ayun, so ito pala yung Madame Tussauds, Singapore. So ayan guys. Gina, how was your experience, the cable car experience?
For me, it's worth it because I ride 2 times, right? From,
Yeah.
ano,
Twice, like
even thrice. Of, ano ba?
twice.
Twice lang.
Tapos, mamaya we will explore some of the places in Sentosa Island. May nakita kanina, no? Malaking boat. Diyan! Let's explore Sentosa Island together. Yeah, matanin.
Gabi, para ako nasa ibang bansa. Ay, nasa ibang bansa pala ako.
Ayun kami na nasa, para na kami nasa ibang bansa. Na-realize niya rin na nasa ibang bansa pala talaga kami. Universal Studios! Sa Universal, yung shuttle na lock nila. Sulat na sulat. Ayun guys, another free experience. We came to Sentosa Island just to take a photo of the globe and the merlion. Unfortunately, the merlion is under construction. But the good thing is, going back to Vivo, it's the shuttle is for free. Yeah. Puro free ang mga bata. Tingnan mo, dito lang oh. Parang umikot lang tayo.
Mga ayaw ng mga, for example,
Cable car. Dito sila. I think my option. So this is another option. They call it the Sentosa Express. Monorail. This is our lunch for today. This is masarap, by the way, guys. That's avocado melaka. And then, fish. Yummy. Big serving. Tapos mura lang, no? Less than $10 na.
less than $10.
So this is the Riverside Indian Barbecue. Tapos madaming pila din. So that's why trinay namin siya. This is inside Vivo City pala. Yeah. Bye! Wala. Take two. Take two. Hi guys, we're back. So ayun, bumisita lang kami ng Sentosa para to experience the cable car and the monorail and the free shuttle. And of course, picture, video. So we did not order anything or we didn't buy anything because it's very expensive. And also their food as well. Ay, look! Oh, it's so cute. Maybe it's colorful label, no?
Provincial ano nila.
So, ayun lang ito sabi ko sa Universal. You can give you mga food. I'm not sure if you're allowed to bring food, no?
Yes.
But I used to buy yeah, or to bring baon. Bring baon. Bring baon with you guys. Okay, jam. Ito na eh. Oh, by the way, we're off to. So, from Harbor Front, we will see. We're looking for the Mustafa Center. So, it's just one ride, the violet line. Violet. Or the love of your life. Basta yun na yun. Same color lang sila. So, hi guys. Gina, how's your shopping galore in Mustafa Center?
Well, marami ako nabili. Kailangan tayo makadalawang
Kadalawa siyang bags.
plastic, pero kulang pa.
Me as well. Actually, there are a lot of pasalubong to buy. And like the perfumes, the chocolates, souvenirs. It's cheap, no? It's way cheaper. And yeah, for those people who likes to shop, to buy pasalubong, souvenirs for their family, Mustafa is the key. One of the shopping centers here in Singapore. If you wanted to save, you could save a lot. And yeah, hindi ako nakapag-video inside because there are a lot of people because it happens at Sunday. Many people. So we're just so happy because we're able to have a lot of budos here. A lot of budos. And you can always ask for tax refund to those people who are not from Singapore. It's also a good thing that you can just claim it at the airport. So yun guys, we're so happy to mention about the ICA and the passport. Yeah, don't forget your passport. Always bring your passport with you for the tax refund. And by the way guys, this is just in the nearest MRT station is Perak. Yeah. Perak Road or basta Perak MRT station. Then you'll have to walk 5 minutes. Look for the Centurion Mall, and then at the back of the Centurion Mall, you'll be able to see the money changer, and then that's the Mustafa Center already. It's very huge. It's like one block, no?
Yes.
Yeah, it's very, it's big. Nakakapagod actually. Pero ayun, sulit naman. So, for mga less than 2 hours lang naman tayo.
Oo, less than
Not bad na yun because it's raining. No? Because it's raining. So, ayun guys. Gina is so happy with her boodles. Her
I wanna buy
purchases.
more.
Yeah. Hopefully, the next time. Yeah, the next time, we'll be back Singapore. Beautiful morning. Para nakaturn na yung Christmas lights.
Hi guys, I'm here in Capita Spring. So, off to the Capita SkyTrain, which is in level 51. And please don't forget to book your reservation, but it's for free, don't have to worry. All you have to do is just scan or go to our website. So, yeah, let's go ahead and explore Capita Garden. Rosemary, mga herbs. Hi guys, welcome back. This is Sky Garden in Capita Spring, which is in level 51. By the way, it's for free, and then you can just come here around 8:30 up until I think it's 8:30 to 10:30, and then up until 5:30, I guess. So, ayun guys. I also recommend this place kasi ano siya, they learn a lot, like more on sustainable, like they have herbs here, plants. So, hi guys, just another tip. I suggest you always people only. Ang dami nilang herbs. So, properly maintained yung area. Meron din silang restaurant, so maybe it's open. Maybe in the afternoon. Ayun guys, diyan makan. Hi guys! So, I am super lucky today because the sun is out again. Thank you. So, I'm out of the, the hustle and bustle of the city in Singapore. So, this is the different side of Singapore. It's a bit far from Singapore or the Singapore city. More or less, I think around that's 40 to 50 minutes. But the good thing is it's just, it's fast. I took the train, the green line, and then the red line because that is the fastest. And also guys, I would like to recommend as well to get so once you have this pass, or I would we noticed because my friend has the regular load, and then I got I got the 1-day pass, which is I extended for 1 more day. And then when we tried, apparently because we're not that like hop on and off of the train, because we like to enjoy the place. So what we actually compare, so it's better if you're not that like you hop on or you would like to enjoy the place, we suggest you take the regular load. So ayun, I think I'm almost near the little Guilin. So by the way, ayun guys, let's enjoy this beautiful place. Why do birds suddenly appear? Little Guilin, it's a park, and then it's more on nature. So this is the other side of Singapore. Yun guys, ganda niya, diba? So, lucky lang mga Singaporeans because almost have everything. other transportation. They have this. They also have they have this as well. So yeah, actually we have this in the Philippines as well. More parks, trains, so that it's gonna be easy for Filipinos or for other tourists to travel. Ayun guys, wala lang, masabi lang. This is Little Guilin. So if you like nature, just simply walking along. Yeah, but then so since I'm solo now, I transferred to a different hotel which is situated in Clarke Quay area. So this is my room. In-upgrade siya nung receptionist. So ayun, 2 beds. Kahit mag-isa lang ako. So this one, bed. Oh, TV. And then, magagamit always. And then this one is usual. Then they have this. And then, what is this? What's inside? Let's check. Okay. Cabinet. And then, this is the bathroom. Ayan. Basic lang actually siya. Pero isa to sa pinakamura na nakita ko via Klook. So, ayun. The name is Robertson Quay Hotel. And then, of course, I requested for this. And I'm so happy kasi granante yung request ko. River view. Ayan. This may be. Hello, Singapore. Oh, there's a swimming pool. Diyan, matene. So I'm off to Clarke Quay. I decided to stay in a different area, not in Chinatown, so I can explore the other area as well. Para near lang ako, so I tried the Robertson Quay Hotel. Ayun guys, ayun, malapit lang siya. Few minutes lang from going to the Clarke Quay Central. Ayun guys, jam, tanay! This is the Old Hill Police Station. This is situated in River Valley Road. Ayan, it's colorful. Happy Monday! So this is my last night here in Singapore, and I am here in Orchard Road. Currently at Orchard Road to see the street lights. And that is so vibrant. I think this is the most vibrant all over Singapore. And parang candy. Ah, yeah, it's candy. Not the back. So vibrant. The Orchard Road. Diba? It's so vibrant. Pasiklaban sila. Pasiklaban ng mga mall sa Orchard Road. So this is just along the Orchard Road. Just in front of Isitan. This colorful area. Mango. Morning, Singapore. It's time to go back to the Philippines. See you next time. Ang hirap pagbitbit ng lagi. After Changi Airport, one last station more. So from Blue Line, then transfer to Green Line. Then to Changi Airport na. See you there, guys. Ja, mata na eh. What they call the Dreamscape and Terminal 2. This is inside the departure area. Ganda! This is the Dreamscape. I think it's similar to the one in Macau. Sky. Now going back. So by the way, guys, this is the end of my video, and this is my last day, and I have to go back now. And I'll just have a quick tip. So if you have you do a lot of shopping, make sure that before you check in your luggage, make sure that you have to have the customs or Singapore customs check your luggage or your things that you bought in Singapore for the GST refund. So it's once you're inside, after the immigration, you can claim the amount. So you have two options. You can ask for a refund if it's in US dollar or Singaporean dollar. So mine, I opted to have it in Singaporean dollars because I always wanted to, I want to come back here in Singapore. And by the way, behind me are the plants. So, as usual, Singapore is really amazing, and there's always new whenever I visit Singapore. So I'm happy that I traveled with EJ and some of his friends, and I'm excited to travel with them again, hopefully next year. And now, what else? So you can always use Gcash. Yeah, I did not bring any Singaporean dollar cash with me. I did not withdraw as well. So ayun, but just in case, just to be safe, just to make sure, because some of the street vendor and some stores, they don't accept cards as well, or any type of different method of payments. By the way, for the tickets or for the cards, because I purchased the Singapore tourist pass, as from what I experienced, if you're not that like hopping in and off of the train, and you would like to enjoy the place, I suggest you use the regular load only instead of the Singapore tourist pass, because I think it's a bit cheaper for me, because I compared with my friends. She was using the regular pass and I use the unlimited pass. So it's really your choice, but that's what I experienced. By the way, the cheapest, I think, for pasalubongs or for souvenirs, you can always go to Mustafa Center, and they're open up until 2 a.m. I hope you like this video and enjoy watching us. See you in my next vlog. Hi, I manifested this and now I'm flying. Second time Singapore Airlines. See you, Philippines. It's past. Sino pala yung Adlay? Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you learned from this video. And if you have not subscribed yet, please feel free to share, like, and subscribe. See you in my next vlog. Ja! Matane!